we'll learn today, let us learn mental ability today. As I told, that will help you for NTSC and NSCJS examination. Okay, so I'll go with a couple of problems. I'll start sharing a slide here. Through slide we'll go on. Okay, so Gopi Krishnan is there? I can't hear Gopi Krishnan. Is he there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let me share a small slide to all of you. Okay, wait. Let's see this. See this. Let's go to. So we'll do some problems. So today we'll do something on all these topics. Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Note of this. You can write mental ability. Under mental ability, we'll learn something about logical thinking, puzzle test, tricky problems, and analytical ability test. Is that okay? Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. Right. See, we are all, we need to understand we are in student community. So even if you have to learn 12 hours, we should be ready to learn because we don't have any other job other than learning. So let's keep our mind and let's keep our complete energy open for learning. Right. Let's go to the first problem. So shall we go from small problems to big problem or big problems to small? What do we do? Sharon, what do we do?
Sir, big to small.
We'll go big to small.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see. I have a problem on the screen. Don't write this. Okay. Please don't write as of now. Till I said don't write anything. Hope you have all written the topics of today. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question here is, the first question is, can you fill this blank space? 19 is equal to 8, 6 is equal to 3, 70 is equal to 7, 8 is equal to 5, 4 is equal to 4, 60 is equal to 5, and 15 is equal to 7, 16 is equal to what, 17 is equal to what? Your time starts now. Only 30 seconds is allowed. So I'll pull out whether Mayuga can do this. Mayuga, do you think you can do this? The first question. Sanjeev? Where is Sanjeev?
Sir.
Yeah, what is the answer for the first question?
Sir.
Sahana? I think Aditya can do this. Aditya?
Sir, thanks, sir.
And what about Monita?
So I'm doing, sir.
Sharon?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Don't take this much time here. This is what I am telling, that mental ability is very important, that we all should learn this once in a while, at least in a month once we have to do this class, because this will give you a lot of analytical ability, the capacity to think. It helps you. So let's see that it's very simple. I think you should not take this much time. We don't have much time here. We have many problems to do. So it is nothing but, if you look at it, are you all ready? Are you all listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you look at it here, it's very simple. 19 is equal to 8. That means, and 6 is equal to 3. That means 6. How 6 can become 3? How 6 can become 3? There is only one way, which is SIX. What way?
Sir, I got the answer.
So it is 6 is equal to 3 means SIX. So what will be 16? 4 is equal to 4. FOUR, 4. 60 is equal to 5. SIXTY. 60 is equal to 5.
So 16 is equal to 7.
16 is
16
equal
is
to?
equal to 7. Then 17 is equal to 9.
Wonderful. All of you are okay?
Yes, sir.
Divya, you joined. Divya is there. Divya Shakti. Yeah, we just started.
Only I
with-
joined.
Yeah, this is the first problem of this class. Just now I started mental ability topics. Okay. So under mental ability, the first question is on the screen. All right. So the answer first 16 is how much?
7, sir.
17 is how much?
9.
Wonderful. The second question. You can read the second question. Can somebody read it? Yeah, let's do one thing. One question will be read from girls side, another question will be read from boys side. So start from girls. Who starts?
A horse was tied to a rope of 5 meters long, and the horse's food was 15 meters away from the horse. How did the horse reach the food?
Yeah. So Sharon has started doing it. So the time is here 30 seconds. So any answers? Any answers? So when girls read it, boys can tell first. When boys read it, girls can tell first. So girls read it. So from girls side, Sharon read the question. So I want it from boys side the answers. Boys, where is Gopi Krishnan? And Aditya, Gopi, Sanjay, Ashwath. Ashwath is there?
Yes, sir.
Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the answer? Come on, yeah. You guys are not working out mental ability then. In that case, very closer to NTSC and NSC just exams. Yeah. So I think I'll go to girls. Girls, do you have any answers? Yeah, it's nothing but very simple. Very simple, Sharon.
Sir,
The answer is very simple. The other side of the rope was not tied anywhere. Are you there?
sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. That is the answer. So the other side of the rope was. Gopi Krishnan, you can mute your mic. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So the other side of the rope was not tied anywhere. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah, let's
Yes.
go. Let's go to the next one. The next one is on the screen. Please answer me. Taking too much of time. Kindly answer me. Which balloon is the farthest from the ceiling? Divya? Can Divya tell me?
Is it violet, sir?
Okay, what about Eril? Eril, what is the answer? Eril, are you there? Okay. So the answer is same. Hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question is on the screen. Finish the equation by placing 3 balls from the selection in the blank spots. You cannot use the same ball twice. If you want, you can write and see. If you're okay, you can write and see. Sharon, if you want, you can write. Write and check. Anybody is okay to write and check? Any answers? Yeah, let's move on to the answer. If you don't have answers, let us move. How to calculate this? Are you ready? I'm not getting any answers. Please answer me.
Sir, I got the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Who got the answer?
Mayuka.
So tell me, Mayuka.
6 plus 11 plus 13 is equal to 30.
6 plus?
11 plus 13.
Let's check the answer. Wonderful. Good, yeah. Good thinking,
Thank you,
Mayuka. Good. 6 plus 11 plus 13. Sanjeev, are you there? Sanjeev,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's move on to the next question. Hope you all copied this. Yeah. The next question. I would expect Aditya to read this question. Aditya, can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
One candle mystery. Once an old man and his 3 daughters lived in a village. One day the old man got very sick, so death came to take his spirit. The oldest daughter asked Death to let her father live for 2 years, and Death agreed. 2 years later, Death returned. The second daughter appealed, and Death agreed to grant the old man 1 more year. An year later, Death returned, and now the youngest daughter came with a candle and asked Death to allow her father to live until the candle in her hand burned out. Death agreed. As the young daughter planned, Death never returned.
Question. How did she plan it?
How did she plan it?
Yes. Girls, any answer? Sharon, any answer?
Sir, I'm thinking, sir.
Yes. Sharon is thinking. Can I get an answer from Divya? Divya Shakti. Divya, are you there?
I'm also thinking.
Thinking. Mayuka? Satana?
I'm thinking, sir.
Sahana?
Sir, she didn't light the candle.
She didn't light the candle. Who said this?
So Sadhana.
Sadhana. Monita?
So same answer, sir. I thought that.
But if she didn't light the candle, when the death comes, actually it will be against the law, right? If the candle was not lighted, if the death comes back, if the death comes to check what is happening, so if the candle didn't light it, then it is wrong, right?
Sir, I think she blew it. I mean, what we say,
Sir,
Yes, Sharon.
maybe she kept changing the candle in her hand.
Maybe. Okay, let's look into the answer. Let's see the answer. Are you able to see?
blew out the candle.
Yes. So somebody was very closer to the answer, but
Me
it
only,
was-
sir. Mayuka.
Yes, wonderful. So can we move on to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Where are other boys?
Yes, sir.
Sanjeev, Gopi,
Yes,
and all.
sir.
Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. The next
Sir,
question is
can
on.
we start writing this questions and all?
Yeah, this is not needed. Questions will come to right. I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah. Next question. Because when it is image is there, you can't draw the images. It will be difficult. So more images, it will be difficult. So let's think on this, because mental ability, let's think, and points alone, wherever you wanted, you can note down. Nothing wrong. But these kind of questions, once it reaches to your mind, this is image oriented puzzles. Okay. So once it reaches to your mind, and this has got images, and this has got puzzles, and this has got tricky problem involved in it. So once it stores in your brain, it won't go away, right? Just like any Rajinikanth's movie, right? Yeah. So the question is here, I think this is to be, a girl should read this. Who can read? Satana, Sahana, Monita and all is not talking to me. I will ask Monita to read this. Monita, can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Paul was standing on a 25-meter ladder. He slipped from the ladder and fell on the ground.
but he didn't die or get badly injured. How is that
Possible.
possible?
Yeah. So how is this possible? Aditya, answer me up.
Sir, see, the length of the ladder is given as 25 meters, sir. But the
Okay.
question doesn't state that he was standing on top of the ladder. It
Okay.
could be like he could be standing next to the ladder or on the first step of the ladder, sir. So possibly he won't get hurt or badly injured, or he won't die if he's standing on the first step.
So let's see the answer. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Sharon, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, this you are supposed to write. Please do write. A girl will, I think a boy will read this. I will ask Gopi Krishnan to read this question.
A student has to obtain 33% of the total marks to pass. He got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. The maximum marks are.
Yeah, please do work. You got 30 seconds. So the required number is 33% of the total mark to pass. And he got only 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. So the total mark we know. What is the total mark? What will be the total mark?
165, sir.
165. Very good. The total mark is 165. Is it okay? Hello? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you have to find out is the 33%. How much it is? What is the method to do and how much it is?
Sir, 54.
Who said this? Sharon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll wait for one answer from boy side also. Can boys say any answers? From boy side, any answers? Yeah, I think no, boys are not telling anything. Ashwath, do you have any answers? Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think 500.
500.
Sir, even I just said 500, I believe, sir.
Who said this? 500? Who are all said?
Sir, I told Aditya,
Divya,
sir.
sir.
Aditya, Divya. Sharon, how that 54 has come? Sharon, can you explain me? Is Sharon there? Sharon? Yeah, Sharon is there. Sharon, how that 55 has come? 54 has come?
Sir, I just calculated the percentage.
Right, okay, let's look into the position, how it is to be calculated. Given that the student got 125 marks and still he failed by 40 marks. The minimum pass mark is 125 plus 40, which we know, 165. Given that the minimum pass mark is 33% of the total mark is equal to 33 divided by 100, which is equal to 165. So the total mark is 16,500 divided by 33, which is 500. Hope all of you are able to understand. You please copy this. Once you copied, you tell me. Shall I show you the next slide? Let's move on to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
The next question is on the screen. A blind man is alone on a deserted island. He has 2 blue pills and 2 red pills. He must take exactly one red pill and one blue pill or he will die. How does he do it?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah.
May I answer?
Yeah.
Sir,
yeah.
if he's a blind man, sir. So then he has 4 pills exactly, sir. If he takes half of each of the pills, sir, he'll get one red pill and one blue pill exactly, sir.
Okay, let's see the answer. Is it okay? Is it matching with your answer? I think so. Yes. If you want, you can note down this. Everybody can write down this if you want. You can just keep a note of it. You can make the points alone. Can we go to the next question? Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question is on the screen. You may write down this. You may please write. Kindly write the question. I'll read for your benefits once. Two trains are on same track and they are coming toward each other. The speed of the first train is 50 km per hour and the speed of the second train is 70 km per hour. A bee starts flying between the trains when the distance between two trains is 100 km. The bee first flies from first train to second train. Once it reaches to the second train, it immediately flies back to the first train, and so on until trains collides. Calculate the total distance traveled by the bee. Speed of the bee is 80 km per hour. So what is the formula for distance? Distance is equal to S into,
Time.
hello, S into
Time.
T. S into T. Yeah, oh, very good. So let's understand what would have happened here. Who are thinking from this classroom that who can do this problem? If I give you a minute or something like that, who thinks that who can at least reach to 90% of this problem? Mayuka?
No, sir. I'm thinking, sir.
Is Sharon there?
Sir,
Do you think you can do this?
I'm thinking.
Okay. And Monita is there?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to do this? Are you working?
Sir, yes, sir. Working, sir.
Divya, are you working? Divya? Divya, are you there? Sanjeev?
Sir,
Yeah.
think-
Good.
thinking.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Please speak. Please discuss with me or please speak. So I think it is taking more time. Aditya, what is the answer which you are very close with? Or what is the level of thinking? Can you tell me the way that you are thinking on this question, like how your thinking goes on this?
Sir, if I try getting the initial distance of those two trains is 100, sir.
Right.
If
As
I
shown
get
in the
that
picture.
as shown in the picture,
Yes.
then later if I get the time, like how long these two trains collide, sir, if the distance keeps reducing, so I'm trying to find out.
Correct.
that part.
Correct. What is the way of Gopi Krishna's thinking?
It's the same, sir.
All right, Sanjeev. Ashut. Ashut, what level your thinking goes? What about Divya? Sahana?
Sir,
Yeah, what is your thinking on this question? How do you think, and what you are trying to find, or what are you getting when you read this question? What is coming into your mind? Okay, I think I need to go to the answer now, right? That's better.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Who's working?
Sir, Sharon, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I got 66.67 kilometer.
Okay. How do you work out? What do you do?
Sir, U is equal to 50 kilometer per hour, sir.
Hmm. From
V
where
is
you have come, what is you mean by?
Sir,
What is you here? What is you here?
the first train, it moves at how much kilometer per hour?
So why did you give you?
No, sir, I just gave symbols.
Okay. Let's see the answer. Yeah, this is the way the answer goes. Okay, you can copy this, the answer. Yeah, it goes like this. Let the first train a variable, okay, any one variable. So let the first train A moves at u kilometer per hour. Let the second train B moves at d kilometer per hour. Let the distance between two trains be d kilometer. Let the speed of be kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time taken by trains to collide d divided by u plus v. Now, putting all the known values to the above equation, we get u is equal to 50 km per hour, which is v is equal to 70 km per hour, and d is equal to 100 km per hour, and b is equal to 80 km per hour. Therefore, the total distance traveled by b is b into d divided by u plus v. That is, these two trains speed is equal to 80 into 100 divided by 50 plus 70. Okay, which is 66.67 kilometers. Is it okay? Hope everyone copied. All of you copied it? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Copied
Yes,
this?
sir.
So let's move on to the next question. Are you ready? Are you there? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'm going with another question. Wait a second. Okay. Hope you are able to see this, right? The screen, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. Let's write something on this. Yeah, what I'm going to write here is 398 is equal to 964. You can write this. Okay, start writing with me. 118 is equal to 164, and 356 is equal to 936. The next one is 423 is equal to question mark. Can you identify what is the missing number in this, or how this series
Sir,
is
169, sir.
how this series is formed? Who's this?
So Gopi, sir.
Gopi. So, girls, do you have any answers? how this is framed. Like Gobi, let me understand that how this is framed. How do you got it?
Sir, 398 is equal to 964, sir.
Okay,
3 square is equal to 9, sir, and 8 square is 64, sir.
wonderful. That same pattern is followed everywhere, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
equal to 1 square is 1 and the 8 square is 64. So
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but it goes like this for all your benefits. 3 into 3, which is here. Okay. And this 8 into 8, which is this. Okay. So that is the same pattern. In that case, it is 4 into 4, which is here, which should be 1, 6. Am I right? And this 3 into 3, which should be 9. So the answer is 169. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next one. Let me tell you, the next problem is on the screen. All right. 47, 55, 63, 85, 92. Aditya, are you writing?
Sir.
99, 73, question mark, 25. Yeah. If you have an answer or discussions, you can, time is open. Please discuss. Any question? So I'll expect answer from Sanjeev. Can you tell me?
Sir, minus 34.
Minus 34. Okay. Sahana, what could be the answer? What is missing here? Sahana, what is missing?
So sorry, sir, it's 39.
39.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 39, 339. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Hemant, what could be the answer? Hemant, are you there? Yeah, what is the answer? So, Aditya, what kind of a relationship you can frame with these numbers?
Well, I'm not able to find, so I'm trying.
Not able to find out. Sahana and Sharon, Sadhana and all. Any idea?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Monica, Monita, any idea?
No idea, sir.
Divya, no idea. So when we get a series, okay, number series problems, whenever we
47 plus 8 equal to 55, 55 plus 8 equal to 63, sir.
okay,
And
who's
8
this?
is Divya, sir.
Okay, Divya, tell me.
85 plus 7 is 92, 92 plus 7 is 99, sir.
Okay. All right. So let us see in this kind of problems, whenever we get such kind of number series and we see that the missing series have to be found out, we need to first see that the relationship between the numbers. Is there any relationship between all these numbers? All right. So we identify and we see what is the difference between these two numbers and or these three numbers. What could be the difference? Are you finding any difference, common difference between these numbers? The
Sir,
first, is there any difference?
Sir,
55 minus 47 is what?
sir, 49, I think so, sir, not 13.
63 minus 55 is how much? Sanjeev, you are saying 49, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 63 minus 55 is what? No. So nobody's answer.
8, sir.
So whether that relationship is applied here also?
No, sir.
No. So that means something differently used. So even if we add, okay, if we add these two, we can't get this number, right? 63 cannot come. But then if you add these two, you cannot get this number. All right. So there's something like, let us see, if we add this number, 47, and let us add this number, how much it comes? How much it is coming? Hello. How much it is coming? 0.1.
110, sir.
110.
110. Divided by 2 is how much?
55, sir.
Okay. So let's see this 85 and 99. Are we getting the same thing? 85 plus 99. How much it is?
184.
184
84.
divided by 2. Is it 92? Are we getting this?
Yes, sir.
So what could be the number here in that case? 73 plus 25, which is 8, 9 divided by 2 should be 40.
49.
49.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's do a next one. Okay. Let's do a next one. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's do the next problem. The next problem is on the screen. Okay. I'm just writing here the next problem. Look at this problem. All right. Hope you are all noting this. Okay. All of you are writing with me. Am I right? 5.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is 6. This is 8. Here it is 7. This is 4. This is 9. The next one is 5, 7, 572. Okay. And it is here 7, in this 5, and in this 4, in this 6, here it is 8, here it is 9. I said this is 572. Okay. And this goes like this. Here it is a question mark. Here it is 7. This is going 2. This is going 5. And here it is 4.
Second one, sir. The one in the circle is 572.
572.
57. Yes.
4, 3, 5. I said this is 572. 5, 7, 2 inside. So what do you have to
What
find
is the
out?
first one, sir?
492. 568 inside, 492. 7, 4, 9 outside. And the second one 572, and top 754, down 689. And on top here the other one 435 and down 725. What are you able to see? Hello. Any guess, Aditya?
Sir, 130, sir.
130. Who's this? Ashwat.
Ashwat, sir.
Ashwat. Okay. We'll think, Ashwat. We'll work out. We'll see whether your answer is matching with us. So, but let me understand, how did you do that? What is your calculation?
Sir, up 3 numbers are there now, sir. I multiplied that 3, sir, and down also I multiplied and add the both, sir.
That means you get to how much? 492 is coming.
Yes, sir. For first one, 492 I got, sir.
You said to me 5 into 6 into 8, which is how much? Which is how much? 2. Hello. Which is how much? 2.
Sir?
So you did like this only, right? On the board.
Yes, sir.
So 5 into 6.
30, sir.
30 into
240 is coming, sir.
240, it's coming. Plus you did next 7, 4 into 9. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So which is coming?
252, sir.
Which is coming 252. Both are, if you add, you get 490.
492,
492, sir.
492. So
Sir?
I think yes.
130
I got the
answer,
answer.
Yeah, how much?
130 is here. 130.
On 30.
Yes, sir.
130.
130.
Are you sure? Everybody is sure?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 130. So hope everybody understood what we have done. We just multiplied this 4 into 3 into 5. The same way here also 7 into 2 into 5. So here how much we got?
60, sir.
60, sir.
60, sir.
60. Here how much we got?
70.
70.
70.
70.
Yeah, adding these two we got this
130.
number. Yeah,
130.
130. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So let's move to the next question. All right. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is on the screen. Please take it from the screen. Yeah. So this we already done, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we did this. Yeah. Let's move to the next question. You only have 2 minutes maximum to understand this problem. There is a room with a door closed and 3 light bulbs. Outside the room, there are 3 switches connected to the bulbs. You may manipulate the switches as you wish. But once you open the door, you can't change them. Identify each switch with its bulb. Can I expect this answer from Mayuka?
Sir,
Can you tell me this answer? I wanted to go with Mayuka and Sahana. Where is Sahana and Mayuka? Yeah, I would like to get the answer from Sahana and Mayuka. Yeah, I think now that's all. Let's move on to the, because you are not able to think much. Thinking?
yes, sir.
So what is the answer? What is the answer? What could be? Yeah, let's move on to the answer. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how this goes on, because what it happens, like we need to know, because we are outside the room and the door is closed and we have 3 switches. We need to identify which switch belongs to which bulb. So there is only one option available. The option. Hope you have copied the question. Have you copied the question? Would you like
No,
to write
sir.
the question? Would you like to write the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So write the question. Please do write the question first. Then we'll discuss the question answer. There is a room with the door closed and 3 light bulbs. Outside of the room, there are 3 switches connected to the bulbs. You may manipulate the switches as you wish. But once you open the door, you can't change them. Identify each switch with its bulb. So hope you copied it. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the answer is here. What we have to do? Turn on switch X. Okay, turn on switch X. In that 3, any one switch you have to turn on for 5 to 10 minutes. Is it okay? After that, turn it off and turn on switch Y. So one switch we have named as X, one switch we have given Y. Okay. So first we have to turn it off, turn it on, X switch, and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we do next switch, that is Y, which we turn it on and then open the door. Touch the light bulb. If the light is on, then it is Y. Is it okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If the light is on, then it is Y. If the light is off and hot, if the light is off and hot, it is X. If the light is off and cold, it is
Z.
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 Understood?
Yes, sir.
Making sense? Understanding such questions? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is one part of mental ability. Yeah, in your NSCJS and NTSC examination, when you write this kind of questions can be expected. You can see one full part, that is 90 minutes, almost 90 questions of 3 hours will come from this part. Okay. And such questions, mental abilities, such questions are expected even if you write IAS level. There is a paper called a CSAT, and in that also such questions are asked. Is it okay? Hello? Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next question. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the next question on the screen. You may write. Write as early as possible. Hope you have completed. Hope you have completed. Aditya, have you completed? Sharon?
No, sir, but I've
Sir, 1
taken
minute,
a
sir.
screenshot.
Yeah. Please do write. Please do write and practice. So ready? Let's move on to the answer. Yeah, let's discuss what we have to find out here. Who will read this? I would expect Sahana Shri has not read any questions so far. Can you read? Sahana? Shahana, can you read? Where is Shahana? Shahana, please read the question. Shahana, please read the question. Yeah. Can Divya read this question, Divya?
A lady L bought an item of ₹100 from the shopkeeper C. She paid him through a ₹500 note. Realizing that he did not have change, the shopkeeper C got change for that note from another shopkeeper S and paid ₹400 to the lady. After a few days, S realized that the note is fake and this railed at C and took ₹500 back from him. So in this whole process, how much money did C lose in the end?
So how much money did she lose? Who is C here? C is the shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
So how much money he lost here? Did he lose any money? Sanjeev, did he lose any money?
Yes, sir.
How much? Gopi Krishna, how much money he lost? Yeah, tell me fast. Gopi, how much money he lost? Gopi Krishna, how much money he lost? All right, let me move on to the answer. Shall I? Hello. Shall I tell you the answer now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go to the answer. The answer goes like this. Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So answer is how much money he lost? 500. How? The total loss for shopkeeper is ₹500 given back to the person who had provided the change. Consider a transaction box. The lady came with a counterfeit ₹500 note which can be considered of zero value. Now the lady took item. Cost of the item is ₹100 and ₹400 the change given by the shopkeeper C to the lady. From the transaction box, total of ₹500. Now the equivalent amount should be lost by someone. The shopkeeper lost ₹500. Another shopkeeper has given ₹500 and took back the same amount, hence no loss for him. You understood this? Are you able to understand?
No, sir.
Not able to understand. Okay, let's see. move on to the question. What is happening here? A lady bought an item of rupees 100 from the shopkeeper. That means one day a lady is coming to a shop and the shopkeeper is see here and she is getting an item valued for a money of 100 rupees. Okay? All of you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
She paid how much? She paid 500 rupees note to him. Okay? When she paid 500 rupees, the shopkeeper, what the shopkeeper is done? The shopkeeper is not having a change. So shopkeeper went to the other person who's very near to his shop. He gave the 500 rupees which is given by the lady to that shopkeeper and collected rupees change. Okay, how much change he would have got? He would have got 500 rupees. Now how much shopkeeper is got? 500. How much the first shopkeeper is got? The first shopkeeper is also 500. Second shopkeeper is also having 500 rupees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the first shopkeeper came back and given how much money to the lady?
400.
400.
So the lady went. All right. So here 100 rupees item is being sold by the first shopkeeper. Am I right? An item
sir.
is for
Yes, sir.
100 rupees. Few days back, what has happened? Few days back, what has happened?
Shopkeeper S realized that the note is fake.
That means the second shopkeeper. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Second
So
one,
he
reality.
that it is fake. So he came to the first one and told, give me my money back. This is a fake note. So he has given him and he has given back. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
the first shopkeeper lost how much? How much?
500.
500.
500. That's all. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Do you want to copy this? Would you like to copy or you understood?
Understood, sir.
Right. Okay. The next question is here. Would you like to try this or we'll move on to, because this is related to cricket. Maybe boys will be much better knowing this. Girls, I'm not very sure about it. I'm not able to hear anything from Sahana, Monita, and Sadhana Shri. Where are they? Why they're not talking anything to me? Monita, are you able to understand the last question?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sahana? Where is Sahana? And Sadhana Shri, where is Sadhana?
Sir?
Are you able to understand the last question?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So here the question is on the screen. Very simple. Shall we discuss this? Or if since it is cricket, we'll move on to the next one. Are you okay to discuss this? Is really an interesting question that I have taken. Can we discuss
Yes,
this?
Yes,
Can we
sir.
discuss? Yeah. All right. So let us see what the question says here. In a one-day international cricket match, considering no extras. See, what is one-day international cricket match mean by how many overs will be there?
50.
How many
50
overs?
overs.
50
overs,
overs.
sir.
50 over. And what it says in a one-day international cricket match, considering no extras. That means there will be two teams, and for one team there is a 50 over. In 50 over, no wide, no balls. Okay, no wider, no balls, and no overthrows. So which these actually what will happen? Batsmen get run. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When wide happens, when no ball happens, when overthrow happens, batsmen get run. What is the maximum number of runs that a batsman can score in an ideal case? For example, in 50, let's see, I am the batsman or you are the batsman, you are standing on the crease till the last ball of 50th over. Till the last ball of the 50th over. What will be your maximum score if you stand on the crease and bat till the last ball of the 50th over? Hope you understood my question. Hope you understand. Mayuka,
Yes, sir.
understood the question?
Yes, sir.
That S is not having very sure. S sounds less. Gopi Krishnan,
Sir.
understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Aditya, Sanjeev,
Yes.
Ashwath, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we have to find out here?
Run.
Runs. What will be the total run? See here, we have to understand here, we assume ideal in a little practical scenario. We assume that the batsman cannot run for more than 3 runs. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So do you think that batsman cannot run more than 3 runs in a ball? Okay, in a ball, what is the maximum run allowed in a ball is either it is 6 or the batsman have to run maximum
3.
3. As otherwise there is no limit. He can run infinite runs there theoretically in a ball as far as opposite team does not catch the ball. This is the two thinking comes to our mind. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the maximum score? How much a batsman can score here? What it comes to your mind? I would like to get a few thinking from the boy side, like what is coming to your mind? Let me understand that you have some kind of analytical thinking is happening in your brain.
So 1800.
1800. Who said this? Gopi Krishnan.
Gopi.
So Gopi, what is the calculation here? I would like to, I am very interested to know that. How is that calculation?
50 overs per over 6 balls, sir.
Per hour 6. Okay.
300 balls will be there, sir.
300 balls will be there.
Each ball 6 means 1800.
1800. Wonderful attempt. Can I get some more answers? Aditya, are you joining with that answer?
Yes, sir. It is a reliable one. I think we can go on with that.
Okay. Next, Sanjeev, are you joining with that answer?
Yes, sir.
Ashwat,
Yes, sir.
from girl side? Monita, Divya?
Yes.
All right. Let me show you the answer. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See the answer. What happens here? Till 49th over, okay? Each over will be how much? 6 into 5 plus 3. Why? Hello? 5 balls you can hit how much? Gopi Krishna, in an over, 5 balls you can hit 6, okay?
Okay, sir.
You said 6 balls hitting 6. Am I right?
Yes. Yes,
I am telling 5 balls you hit 6 and the last ball you can hit only 3. Can you mute your mic? Please mute. Yeah, because some noise is coming. Right. So 6 in the last over. See what? Let us look at till 49th over. 5 balls you can hit 6 and the last ball you can hit only 3 because last ball if you hit 6 you will not be in the batting side. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if you hit the last ball as 6 or 4, then you are not going to be the batsman. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in that
Yes,
case,
sir.
till 49 over, what we are doing? 6 into 5 plus 3. How much it is? 6 into 5 is how much? 30 plus 3. So 33, right?
33.
So 1 hour maximum 33 till 49 over. If I have to bat again and again. Understood? If I have to bat again and again, each over till 49 over, I will hit only 33. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 33 into 49 is how much? 33 into 49 is how much? That's all. 33 into 49 is how much? Yeah. Monita, how much it is?
Sir,
Yeah, how much it is?
1,607.
1617.
1617.
17.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So then 6 into 6 is how much? At the last over, you don't have any restriction because each ball you can hit 6. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
1617 plus 36, which is how much? Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Sanjeev, are you able to understand? Gopi, are you able to understand the mistake what you have done in the
Yes, sir.
calculation? Yeah. Is it different? Is
Yes,
these
sir.
questions are different? Are you learning something special?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Let's move on to the next one. Are you ready? Sharon
Yes,
is there? Sharon, are you ready?
Sir.
Yeah,
Sir, yes, sir.
yeah. Let's move on to the next one. The next question is on the screen. Yeah, can somebody read this? Can Aditya read this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
A group of 25 tourists had to cross a wide and deep river with no bridge in sight. They noticed two 10-year-old boys playing in a rowboat by the shore. The problem is that the boat is so small that it can only hold two boys or one tourist. How can the tourists get across the river and leave the boys in joint possession of the boat?
So what kind of problem in front of us? What is the difficulty in this problem? Can Sharon explain me? What are the difficulties we are going to face in this problem?
Sir, the boat is so small that it can only hold two boys or one tourist.
Okay. And the next difficulty in this?
The tourists has to go across the river, and the boys has to stay there.
Very good. Okay, boys has to be stayed back on the same place where they are, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so now what do we do? Mayuka, what we can do in this case?
Sir,
What do we do?
sir, I'm
Divya,
thinking.
Divya, what can we do? Is Divya there? Divya, what do we do? Let's discuss the answer now. Aditya, let us
Sir.
discuss. Yeah, what?
Sir, you can leave. See, sir, there are two boys, sir,
Yes.
and they should have the possession of the boat, sir. So
Okay.
then there are like two shores, one where the tourists are standing, the
Okay.
other place, their destination. You can keep it like that, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So if the boys stand in each of the shores, sir,
Okay.
they can one boy can be at the in the position of the boat with one tourist while the other guy is in the other shore. So
Okay.
when you leave the tourist other there, the boy can stay there while the other one staying over there can come. Like in one shore, one boy, the other shore, sir. So they can to and fro, they can do it, sir. And the position will be with the boys, sir, of the boat. I think this could be the
Solution. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Let us see. Yeah. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is happening here? Sharon, what is happening here?
Sir, in the first, in shore one, 25 tourists and two boys are at the shore one.
Hmm.
And then the two boys, they take the boat and go to shore two.
Hmm.
And one of the boys, they take the boat and come to the tourists.
Hmm.
And one boy take the tourists to the other shore, and so the same thing keeps happening. So.
Oh, keeps happening. So are you able to understand? Is it matching with your answer, Aditya?
Yes, sir. But besides calculation, I have not done it, sir.
Okay. Very good. It's okay. So are you able to understand Mayuka and all? Mayuka, are you able to understand? Yes. And Sadhana and Divya, is there any question on this? Any questions on this?
No.
Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Are you there? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to copy this? No need. All right. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. The next problem is here. Please do write this question. I expect you to write this question. Can you write? Hello, can you write this
Yes,
question?
sir.
Yeah, please do write. Please do write fast. Let's think now. Any answer? Any kind of thinking, Sharon? Divya? Any thinking? Hemant? Any thinking from Hemant's side? Sahana? Sahana, do you have any thinking on this? Eril, do you have any thinking? Eril, are you there? Yeah, Gopi Krishnan. Any thinking, Gopi Krishnan?
So thinking, sir.
Okay. Sanjeev?
Yes.
Ashwath, Sanjeev, any thinking? Eril has not answered me.
Thinking, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Monita?
Thinking.
Right. Okay. So if you think that, is it better to better me to explain the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's leave this. So what happens here? Since they reached home 30 minutes earlier, okay? Sita must have saved 15 minutes in each trip. That part we can understand, right? Since they reached home 30 minutes earlier, Sita must have saved 15 minutes in each trip. That is coming and going. Am I right? Up and down trip.
Yes,
As the speed of the car was in uniform, like the story says the car was in the uniform speed on all the days. Am I right? This means that had Sita drove for 15 minutes more, she would have met Ram at the station. Is it okay? Hello? If she would have drove 15 minutes more, then she would have met Ram at the station. Isn't it? Nobody's answering me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So as we know, Ram arrived at the station at 5 that day, and they must have met at 6. It means that Sita meets Ram at 5:45. Okay? Therefore, Ram must have walked 45 minutes before meeting Sita. Hope you understood the answer. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sharon is not answering anything. Sharon,
Sir, it's clear, sir.
it's clear. Anybody else? Monita, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions are there? Any question which is not able to understand, please ask me. It is my duty to clarify. It is my duty to inform you. Such kind of questions you get in any competitive exams future competitive examination, you should not think that it is not been taught, neither it is not discussed. So please discuss if anything is asked. This question is for sure. Such kind of questions will be there. Very sure. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
ready? Yeah. Let's move to the next question. The next question is on the screen. I would expect that this is to be like, can Divya read this?
A newspaper made of 16 large sheets of paper folded in half. The newspaper has 64 pages altogether. The first sheet contains pages 1, 2, 63, 64. If we pick up a sheet containing page number 45, what are the other pages that this sheet contains?
Yeah. So hope you understand the question, right? When you fold a newspaper, what happens? A newspaper made of 16 large sheets, which we know, of paper folded in half. The newspaper has 64 pages altogether. The first sheet contains so-and-so sheets. And if you pick up a sheet containing page number 45, what is the other pages that this sheet contains? Ashwad, any guess? We read newspaper every day, but have you ever thought this? Hello?
No, sir.
No. We read newspaper and we twist it and we twist it and we tear it and we keep it in a corner, we keep it on a table, we put it in dustbins. But we never thought actually what will happen if we fold like this. What is the next page? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Aditya, what is the answer?
I don't know, sir.
Sanjeev? Sanjeev?
Sir.
Yeah, what is the answer? What can be? What can be? Sharon, any guess? Sharon?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I think I
Mayuka,
closed, sir.
Mayuka,
1
any
minute.
guess? Mayuka, any guess?
Sir,
Any guess, Mayuka?
some maybe 65 minus 45.
65 minus 45. Maybe I think. Okay. Let's see the answer.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Yeah. It's
Uh,
yeah.
On the back of the page, sir,
It
45.
is there on the screen. On the back of 45, it is 46, which we know. Am I right? The pages are such that for each page, P, 65P, 65 minus P will be also on the same page. Am I right? Hello? Are you
Yes,
all with
sir.
me? Yeah. So 65, as Mayuka said, 65 minus 45 is 20. In that case, 65 minus 46 is 19. So the 4 pages in the sheets are 19, 20, 45, and 46. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, are you able to understand? Ashwat, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Gopi Krishna, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's move on to the next one. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. The next question is on the screen. I expect you to write this as early as possible. A person has 3,000 bananas and a camel. The person wants to transport a maximum number of bananas to a destination which is 1,000 kilometers away. Using only the camel as a mode of transportation, the camel cannot carry more than 1,000 bananas at a time and eats a banana every kilometer it travels. What is the maximum number of bananas that can be transferred to the destination using only camel? No other mode of transportation is allowed. So what we have to identify this. So what are the difficulties in this problem? Can Sadhanashri explain to me the difficulties involved in this problem?
So we have only one camel and its capacity is only 1,000 bananas, but we have 3,000 bananas.
Okay. And one more very, very huge difficulty. What is the very huge difficulty available
So
in
we
this?
can't use any other mode of transport except camel.
There's one more big problem.
So it is 1,000 kilometers away.
Okay. Each 1,000 kilometer, what happens? What will happen to the camel? The camel will eat.
It
One
eats one banana.
It will eat one banana. So what is the maximum
If
in this?
1,000 bananas, so all the bananas would have exotic, sir.
Yes. So if the difficulty level with this problem, or the person, the businessman who has to find out a method, or he has to find out a method that what can be the maximum bananas he can transport to the other destination on this particular situation. Gopi Krishnan. Yeah, let's see the answer. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
How do we transport? Okay. How can we transport? Let's see the conditions. So what happens here? Like, what do we have? Yeah, what do we have?
Camel.
What and all? Yeah, what and all we are having?
A man, 3,000 bananas, a camel, and a man.
So we have nearly 3,000 bananas, and we have one camel. Then the problem is 1,000 kilometer. Yeah, each 1,000 kilometer, one banana is lost. Am I right? Isn't it? Hello? Are you all with me? Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir. The camel can carry only 1,000 bananas, sir.
Yes.
And there is 1,000 kilometers. So if he eats one banana in every kilometer, by the end of the destination, if he carries only 1,000 bananas, nothing will be left, no, sir.
Nothing will be left.
Okay.
But the problem here, what is the problem? The problem is that you are in a difficult situation now. But see that if you are a businessman, okay. See that if you are a businessman and you wanted to get the maximum sales, how do you transport this item with a best method? Now we understood there is a problem here. Sharon, are you able to understand what is the problem here?
Yes,
the problem is that each kilometer, okay, every kilometer the camel travels one.
It eats one banana.
Wherever, yeah, it eats one banana. So what is the such kind of questions? What is the option available? The option available is that, let's see, we have to travel from A to B. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All of you are with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have to travel from A to B, and this is 1,000 kilometers. So here there's one option which I was also thinking that what will be the solution for this. Let's see. There's only one method which can use it. Let's see, first 200 kilometers. Okay. First 200 kilometers. Point number 1. Hello. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Step 1, I will take from 1,000 and I will travel to 200 kilometers. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I reach 200 kilometers, how many bananas I will lose?
200.
200.
200. So I have 800 here. Okay. I lost 200. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have 800 here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I keep this 800 here. I'll come back. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
In the second steps, I will take another 1,000 and I will travel till distance. How much I lose?
200 again.
200.
I will lose 200. I have 800 now. Plus here 800 also already there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
this
sir.
I will take 200. Because why? Why I take 200?
Because you lost 200.
No, my camel can carry only 1,000.
Okay, sir.
You understand? I take how much? Hello.
200.
200.
So now this is 1,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I am at the kilometer of 200. From 200, I will walk till 600 kilometer. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
with
sir.
this with this 1,000, I am walking another 600 kilometer. So how much I would have lost?
600.
No.
600.
No. From 200. From 200. I'm already at 200.
Okay, 400.
400.
400. So 400 I lost. How much I have balance?
600.
400 I lost. I have balance
600.
600. Okay, at 600 kilometer. At the destination of 600 kilometer, I have 600. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is answering me anything.
Yes, sir.
Now I came back again from here. Okay. How much balance at the third steps? Again, 1000 is lying. Am I right? I took
Yes,
this
sir.
1000. I reached this 200. How much I would have lost?
200.
So from 800, I already have here how much? In the first location, 600 is lying. Am
600.
I right?
600.
Is lying. From 600, I took 200. Okay. So this is again 1000. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Now from this 1000, I walk to how much? Another till 600. That means by the time I reach this 600, I will have again 400 lost. So I will have 600 with me. Plus already 600 is lying here. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I took these two. In this, I took again 1000. All right. So 200 left there. From this 600, I took 400. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 200 lying here. From here, I have to travel now another how many kilometer?
400.
Kilometer. So at the last, when I reach here, how many I would have lost?
400.
At least 600 is with me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any other method, anybody can transport more than 600. It is good, but show me a method. Okay. You can work out on this. I don't have any problem. Hello. Are you all
Yes,
with
sir.
me? Hope you understood this. Sanjeev, are you able to understand? Everybody is able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Is it interesting?
Sir, can you summarize the steps 1 second, sir? Little bit confusing, sir.
All right. All right. Let's see. We have 3000. Am I right? We have how many? If you answer me only, I can tell you.
8,000.
We have
3,000.
3,000. To travel 1000 kilometers. Okay. First steps. Okay. First steps, I will go 200. Okay. Taking 1000. 1000 bananas I took. I traveled 200 kilometers. When I reach here, because of camel, I have only 800 with me. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I left this 800. I came back to the second level. In second, again, I took 1000. I traveled to this 200 kilometers. When I reach here, I have only 800. From this 800, with keeping this 800 with me.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
You ask me.
Sir, when it reaches 200-meter point, again it want to travel 200 meters to reach the point A, no, sir. So again it will eat 200 bananas, no, sir.
No, when it comes back, there is no banana on its shoulder. There are no bananas on its shoulder. Banana can be eaten when the banana is carried.
Yes, 800 bananas back, no, sir.
No, that's what I said. You leave this point. You left this. You have kept it in a house. There may be a house or something available. You kept it there. You came back. Logically, think logically. Okay. You came back. Now 800 and 800. When we reach to the second 800 and 800 is there. From this 800, I took another 200. So I have now 1000. With this 1000, I will walk another 400 kilometers. That means I will reach to 600 kilometers. When I reach here from this 1000, I would have lost again 400. That means I have 600. This 600 I will leave in the house 2, second house. And I will come back to again this position. From here again I will take 1000. I will walk till 200 because when I walk to 200 kilometers, I am already taken from this 800. I have already taken 200. So I have here another 600 left. In this 600 again I'll take 200. So 400 left here. This I can't do anything. I can't carry this. Please understand. Understood? This is left with. So the first home number 1 has got 400 banana free from me. Understood what I'm saying? Hello? All of you with me?
Yes, sir.
So now if this is the way you calculate, you can reach the maximum. So if anybody can transport more than that, you find out. Is it okay? Clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's move to the next one. Yeah. Let us move to the next one. Is it disturbing or time is up? Is that something like that? Or shall we discuss few more problems, or is it okay? Hello? Nobody's telling me anything. Is it okay? We'll continue or it's up?
It continues.
You continue? Few more problems. Sharon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is another problem. Read this problem, understand. I'm just expecting, I think this maybe you are known to this. Just expecting an answer alone, not to write. Hope you have completed reading this. So the question, can you tell me the difficulties of these questions? Can Monita tell me? What is the difficulties of this question? Monita, are you there?
Sir, there was a heavy rain on that day, sir.
Okay. Yes, Monita, there was a heavy rain on that day. Yes, Monita. Other than that? Sharon, what are the other difficulties? Sharon, Mayuka, what are the other difficulties of this story?
Sir, the weather is horrible, sir.
Yes.
And the car is small.
Okay.
And we only get to choose one passenger.
Right. So whom do you choose here, right? Is it okay? Whom do we choose here? Ashwath? Yeah. Aditya?
Sir,
Yeah. Whom do we choose here?
sir, we can do one thing, sir. It differs from person. This question can differ from person, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then
That's
I
what
would
I mean.
like,
Right.
sir, I would preferably stay with the old friend and ask the partner to drive the old woman home or
Okay.
the hospital. That will be.
Okay. Okay. What Sanjeev will do? Sanjeev is there. Gopi Krishna is there. Okay. Let's see the answer. Sharon, are you able to understand the
Sir,
difference?
yes, sir. The
Yes.
old woman, she will obviously die. I mean, she looks like she's gonna die now. Obviously, she'll die, no, sir. So
Okay.
I wouldn't save the old woman.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see, Mayuka. Let's see the answer. Let us see how things are. Yeah. This is what happens with me. Is it okay? As he told that it matters person to person. Am I right? Right. All of you are able to understand what I asked? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. So let's see. Today's class comes to an end. Hope you enjoyed the session and you learned something new. So as I said in the beginning, some questions which is very mandatory for taking analytically and logically and calculating those problems and keeping our minds fresh, and it will help you to think in a broad way, calculate in a broad way, freshen up your brain for learning more subjects. So mental ability, that is why mental ability is very much important. Is it okay? Hope you enjoyed the class. So thank you very much from me. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
attending this session.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Thank you, sir.
learn more and more. Okay. Right. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.